Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a PIN code or Touch ID protection to your ScanGuru account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Access Security, which is the first option, and here you should choose your preferred type of protection to protect your data from unauthorized access. The first one is the PIN code, so if you tap on the Turn On button, you should enter your PIN code. Then confirm it by typing it again, and as you can see, it has been activated. If you click on the biometric option and click on the Turn On button, you can authenticate to protect your data by adding your Touch ID. So as you can see, now it has been added. So you can only use one type of protection at one time, so you should select which one you would like to use. And if you want to turn off the current one, tap on it and click on the Turn Off button, thereby turning it off, so you can select the other one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.